Hello and good day. My name is Francois Strydom. I'm 44 years old and currently living in Luitrecht, Limpopo in South Africa. Over the years, I've gained experience across a wide range of industries, from farming, engineering to mining. I operated various heavy-duty machines including John Deere, Massey Ferguson and Massey Ferguson rippers, excavators, bulldozers, 20-ton forklifts, 32-ton trucks used in earth-moving machinery. I also have experience as a production manager in factories specializing in slurry pumps, submersible, gravel and clear water pumps, as well as bearing assemblies. My responsibilities included building, repairing and maintaining pumps, both in the workshop and in the field. Especially on the mining sites, welding and fabrication is also part of my skill set. I grew up in a steel factory, an engineering shop. We did large structures projects from stainless steel tanks for farming. I'm a skilled stick, MIG and TIG welding operator, and I work with stainless steel and aluminium with confidence and precision. In addition to technical skills, I've completed various safety courses and training programs on the mines. I'm a strong team leader and have experience leading and working closely with others on site. Most recently, I've worked in Arkansas at Driver Farms. I was responsible for mechanical repairs, boiler making and managing planting and harvesting operations. I also handled loading and offloading during harvest time, the silos, maintained the silos, drove some semi-trucks to deliver the crops to the mills. Thank you for taking time and your attention. I hope you have a great day. Bye.